Hello my paper crafting friend, welcome to this Easter craft edition of Paper and Joy. I'm going to be making some little Easter decorations today, just little hanging decorations, these little bunny faces with bow ties, so a little boy bunny and a little girl bunny. Alright, let's see what's in your packs and get crafting. Okay, in your packs you will receive your 2 bunny faces, 2 bows, one will have a hole in it and I'll get to that in a minute, and 2 pieces of ribbon so we can hang our bunnies. You also need a scrap piece of paper for gluing, a glue stick and a black fine liner pen. Okay, let's get crafting. Okay, so what we need to do is stick our bow ties onto our bunnies, and we're going to do a boy one and a girl one, so one will be the bow tie and one will be a hair bow. Okay, so let's do the little boy one first. So we're going to glue down the bottom of his chin, sort of like in a smiley face type of shape, and then grab your bow tie. And this bit is going to be just at the bottom, so you can't see the bunny face underneath. So that's just at the bottom of where the bunny face is there. Okay, and give that a press. All right, and now our girl bunny. So hers is going to be in her hair. And what we're going to do, so for the girl one, you need to have the bow with the punched out hole in it, because we're going to line that up with this hole in the bunny face as well, so that our ribbon can go through. All right, so just either side of the hole, just pop some glue there, and then lining up the holes is where you'll put the bow. All right. Okay, so now grab your ribbon pieces and we're going to thread these through the hole. So if you can, I find it easy to sort of you can't really see it on the camera, but try to fold it in half with your fingers, and that just sort of makes it just small enough to fit through the hole. There we go. And then pop a knot in the top. So line up your top edges of the ribbon, pull that straight, and then just do a knot at the top. Okay, just a little bit of ribbon edge there. So there's one bunny, and the second for our boy bunny. So again, folding the ribbon sort of in half a little bit with your fingers to get it through the hole. Lining up your top edges of the ribbon. Pulling it through and then popping a knot in the top. And there we go. Okay, so the last final step is optional. You don't need to do it if you like your bunnies like this, all well and good. If you would like to draw some faces on, grab your fine liner pen, and you can either do just eyes or eyes, the nose and the mouth. So depending on what you think might look good and what you'd prefer, you can draw a little face on your bunnies. Little smile. There. So if you like, you can pop some faces on. You do what you like. All right. Okay, so to use your little bunnies, what I like to do is grab a little piece of sticky tape, I'll come closer, and then just on one piece of the string, like the back piece of the string, oops, pop the sticky tape on there. There we go. Now hold it down so that it doesn't stick on your fingers. And then I like to hang it either on shelves, so you could do, you know, shelving. This sort of is a nice big display area, and we can also do it on drawer handles, so I'll show you that in a minute. So you can just then use your sticky tape to pop it on the shelf. There we go. There. Or drawers, so let me grab another piece of sticky tape. And again, putting it on the back ribbon piece. Try to get it straight this time. Okay. So just on the ribbon, on the back ribbon. I'm just going to lower the camera. So we have some drawers there. So I then just stick the sticky tape on there, just take the camera down, and I will generally put something on all the drawers there to decorate for Easter. So hope you enjoyed that craft project, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.